Okay, Mama.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sterling. Happy birthday to you.
Now make a wish, hey twins. Don't blow. It's Sterling's turn. Go
Try
again.
again.
Don't try Pearson, Thatcher.
You go like.
Go like this, John.
There you go. Good. Good.
Good.
Nice
Yeah.
job. Woo.
Sterling, wait just a second. Sterling, how old are you today? Tell the video how old you are. 4. And what do you want to be when you grow up?
80.
80. That's a good answer. And
Me too.
you too, Anders?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And let's think. What are you hoping for your birthday today?
Me too. Me too. I
A wand?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Thatcher, sit down.
What? How do you feel special about being 4? Could you tell you're 4 today?
Yeah.
How? What makes you feel older?
By going in a different class at school.
You get to go in a different class at church. You're getting so big. I love you, sissy. Let's do some presents now, okay?
Daddy, I don't feel